Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your go-to channel for detailed insights, expert reviews, and the latest updates in the automotive industry. Today, we dive into the 2025 Honda Civic Type R, a car that continues to push boundaries with its blend of performance, style, and cutting-edge features. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R maintains its reputation as a high-performance hatchback while introducing enhancements that elevate the driving experience. Under the hood, it features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive horsepower that ensures exhilarating speed and acceleration. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the car offers precise control and an engaging drive that car enthusiasts love. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better handling, making sharp turns and high-speed maneuvers feel effortless. The exterior design of the 2025 Civic Type R is both aggressive and refined. Aerodynamic improvements enhance performance, while the bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and functional air vents contribute to its sporty look. The wide stance and signature rear wing not only add to its visual appeal but also improve stability at high speeds. New color options and lightweight alloy wheels further enhance its presence on the road. Inside, the Civic Type R combines comfort with a racing-inspired aesthetic. The cabin features high-quality materials, bolstered sport seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, and the red accents throughout the interior emphasize its sporty nature. Advanced technology takes center stage with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Additional features include a premium audio system, wireless charging, and customizable drive modes. Safety and driver assistance features are another highlight of the 2025 Civic Type R. Equipped with Honda sensing technology, it offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and more. These features ensure not only a thrilling drive but also peace of mind on the road. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R strikes a balance between practicality and performance. Despite its sporty nature, it offers ample cargo space and rear seat comfort, making it suitable for everyday use. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for its class, and Honda's reputation for reliability adds to its appeal. If you're a fan of high-performance cars or simply appreciate a well-rounded vehicle that stands out in its segment, the 2025 Honda Civic Type R is worth exploring. Its combination of power, design, and advanced features makes it a top contender in the hot hatch market. Thank you for watching Vehicle Review World. We bring you the latest reviews, comparisons, and updates on the cars you love. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting content.